Hey, this is Alexander 2.0. We're gonna make slime. I'm not gonna be in there. My friend's gonna be in there because I'm gonna have a lunch break. Okay. I will see you the next video, right, Angel?
Yeah.
So today, what you need for slime, you will need glue, and a little slime that you made already. So first, we're gonna start just with a piece of paper. So I can't find my cup. So first, you're gonna need glue. Glue, just put a little bit, how many you want. I'm just gonna put a little bit. And then when you're done, you're gonna put the tide. Just a little bit.
There's any colors? Purple and
Gold and green.
yeah. I thought it was 4, but it was.
And then when you're done, you're gonna put your slime that you already made and you put inside the glue and you start mixing it up. And then you take off the slime you made and then this is how you make the slime that my brother has. But you start mixing it up, okay guys? And then today we're not gonna use shaving cream because I just noticed in there no gang, no tie, just tie on me. And then this is how you make the slime. And then if you but hold on. Fuck you, buddy. I'll play now. He's my little brother. He's really crazy. He's a savage. If you comment down, if you subscribe. Hold on, guys. If you subscribe, you will get this really cool slime. And then we're gonna comment up. If you subscribe, we're gonna give you something else. But if you subscribe, we're gonna give you some prank stuff from my book order. And then I'm gonna buy them. And then please subscribe. Peace.